people of planet Earth. Welcome to another episode of Mason's Rugged Roads. Today we've got Flip, who's come all the way from Wales. We've got Sam on his CRF Rally, Richie Rich on his KTM 790, J-Dog on his 890. All I can hear is them talking in my ears because we've got the comms on, and all they can hear is me shouting. Obviously yours truly, T7, followed by Wingman on his. And as if by magic, Handsome Charlie arrives.
Reporting for duty, sir?
Reporting for duty. You are squadron leader today, taking us on the T.E.T. The Wiltshire T.E.T, is that right?
Yeah, a bit of Wiltshire, a bit of Hampshire.
Nice.
Going up to Stockbridge, and then, yeah, we'll be in Hampshire for a bit until we loop back round to the Plain, and then you take over again.
Yes, I will. Are we going to try and beat our record on the Buzz in the Tower goose? Here come the others. We had to pull over. Charlie's having a piss, and I think one or two might have got stuck on the clay hill. It's a horrible rutty clay hill, and if you don't just treat that throttle right, you'll spin up and stop or fall off. This sounds like J-Dog on his KTM. Yes, it is. He was behind me, so I'm guessing he's the one that stopped. Where's Flip? Here he comes.
Drill into barbed wire.
Where the bloody hell have you been?
Helping everyone else.
Helping Did everyone fall over?
Yeah.
He's a star, is our Flip. He pulled over and picked up Sammy on his CRF. I don't mean picked up in a sexual nature. He fell off, and I think Richard fell off. J-Dog fell off. Yeah, you're right. And this goes out to Fergus. Fergus, I didn't fall off. There's still chance though. First casualty. Charlie, what's happened?
I've got a little flat here, so I think I've hit a sharp rock and sliced the tyre. So I'm hoping we can repair it with a tubeless.
It has sliced in the corner.
And if we can't, then we'll have to put an inner tube in it.
Can you move it over a bit?
What? The flat?
Slashy, let's see if we can get anything in there.
Open the flap up.
Okay, ream it.
So straight in where the hole is. Yeah?
Wherever, if you can find the part of the hole.
I'm pretty sure it's here.
Is it one
it may
slice
go- it may
or
go.
is it?
Yeah. And then just in and out like this, like a fiddler's elbow, all the way. Reel it
Like you're fingering.
like you're fingering it up the duck pond. And then in and out until it starts off.
Oh, it's almost sexual.
Push the
Do it
car off,
faster,
over.
Charlie.
In and out.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
You're a good
going.
girl.
Every part. And then we put a little bit of glue on that as well.
Well noticed,
Slip it
Sam,
open.
because I didn't even notice.
Not even feel it.
Is that a smoking?
Is that a pepperami?
It's my lunch.
Your lunch.
Now
He's just putting glue on for seasoning.
you want to stick it in so that you've got about an inch left. So it's going to fold over
Yeah.
when you ram it in the hole.
Stick it into your inch left.
Ram it in the hole, sir.
Yeah.
Here, yeah?
Yeah, back straight in, all the way in. Oh, not
Too far.
Yeah, too far.
Pull it
Okay,
back
it doesn't
out.
matter. Just pull, see if it'll come back out. With any luck, it'll.
Just dropped off in the rim.
Okay, another
Send
one.
me
We'll
another
do the
one.
same.
That'll help with your balancing, Charlie.
Another little sprout.
I think it's a bit too lubed up.
Yeah, too ferocious.
Put a plank on your back and you won't fall in.
Sticking out.
Less vigorous on the entry.
Fit in. Oh yeah.
It sort of goes quite suddenly, that's
Yeah.
the thing.
There we are, there we are, there we
A
are.
bit more till he folds. A little bit more. That's it. Now, when you pull it out,
God,
you
I
can.
stuck my fingers together.
Yeah, that's fine. When you pull that out, it should leave that in. So your thing has got, well, it's got a slot in the end. So just yank it out, good and quick.
Oh, it's
Go
bringing
on.
it out, will it?
No, no, it won't.
Quick.
Alright. That's it.
Right.
Now, that's your job done.
That's it.
That's it. So now what you do is it's got the fold on the back. It's not going to want to fire straight out the hole, you see.
Right.
So it's got the bulge on it.
Do you snip that off?
After it's sealed, it won't hurt for it to be there.
Can you ride
Just
like that
start
all
off
day
with-
now?
Like
Yeah.
an extra bit of grip on the side of
Yeah.
the
This is the absolute bonus reason of
tubeless.
running tubeless tyres, isn't it? Save
Yeah.
fucking about and taking all that out. I know we've done it with ours and it is pretty straightforward, but this is way better. Charlie, we got the same compressor. Well, have you seen? Charlie had a flat, but hopefully no more. Getting the compressor out. That's going to get some air in the tyre and hopefully we'll be on our way again back onto this Wiltshire and Hampshire T.E.T. I'm hoping you're enjoying all the videos that Mason of Rugged Roads painstakingly puts together. It's not painstaking, it's a whole lot of fun. Anyway, if you do like these videos, why don't you go on, hit that subscribe button. It'll be a laugh. Come join me and them, of course. Sorry about him, he's always pissing. It's been raining most of the morning. This is the first time we've managed to get the camera back out. And here we are. We've arrived on Salisbury Plain. Or as what's commonly called, the watering hole. Charlie said he wants to go for it first. He gave that the beans at the watering hole. The fucking battery just died, so we got a new one in. Rich has been through, you might have seen that. Now Sammy's coming back through. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Now he's wet. This way. I can hear him on the comms saying, are you going to go left or right? You boys better make your mind up. Here comes another fly past. Don't make any mistakes, Jack. Oh, you can feel the wind as they go past. It's deep, but everyone stayed upright. Yes, Gulliver. Here comes Richie Rich. Oh, beautiful. And it's stinky. That's a stinky puddle, that is. Two are off. Phil, I shouldn't laugh really. Phil and Charlie, I heard on the comms, Phil said, I've just fallen off in sympathy because Charlie fell off in front of him.
Rally came across so fast, it startled me.
Can you do it again? I didn't get it on camera. Oh, look at that. Fucking horrible, wouldn't it, Flip? Especially on these tyres. We don't have a lot left. You dirty bastard! That's nothing. You wait till the next three. What happened? I can hear whoa in the comms. What's happened? Look at the state of you. Excellent. Did I get him? Coming over, the right side can be a bit steep.
I thought I was going to come off when I was behind you, I couldn't see anything. I'm not very back.
There is a lot of tomfoolery going on here. Everybody is fucking soaked. We're going straight over, chaps. The dirty bastard. Oh, look at that one. That was good. Just keep right, Phil, as you go down there. Get down to the end of the trees and then straight over on the grass. Straight on, all the way to those trees at the bottom. You can't come in my house looking like that. You've done it. I might have done, yeah. Hey Charlie, the flag's up. I think somehow we're inside, so we'll drop down here and go around it. The filming has been intermittent today on this video of Mason's rugged roads. Alright, stop making it sound dramatic. It's been raining on and off all fucking day. We're all very wet and muddy. That last one you went had a massive splash of water. It'd be straight in the fucking deck. Everyone's very soggy. Richard's just making the hedges a little bit more soggy. He's having a wee. Hopefully he's going to come through the puddle and we'll film it. I don't know how much more of this video we're going to get this weekend because of the weather. Because it keeps pissing down on and off. In Queen's English, that's raining. Yes, Richie Rich.